Welcome to this sitting meditation. A meditation of awareness of breath and body, where we are practicing waking up from automatic pilot, falling awake, befriending the body. So let's begin by taking on a dignified posture in the seated position. So having your back upright and away from the back of the chair, just allowing that back to be tall and vertical, and with your head supported and balanced on top of the spine. And your feet on the floor. And just resting your hands now in your lap, on your thighs, your knees, so they just comfortably lay palm up or palm down, wherever they may be. And when you're ready to do so, gently closing your eyes if this feels comfortable to do. And if not, simply letting the gaze fall unfocused on the floor a short distance in front. Just sensing the sitting bones on the supporting surface where you're seated. Just noticing your feet upon the floor, and your floor upon the feet. And moving to awareness of your hearing, noticing sounds inside, outside, sounds all around. Simply using the awareness of this sense, noticing sounds inside the body, outside the body, inside the room, outside the room, letting go of any identification, no labeling, no judging, just noticing as you move your awareness of sound. Just bringing this awareness to your hearing. No judging, simply noticing. Noticing the sound of my voice, allowing the sounds to come, and allowing the sounds to go. Noticing the space between sound. And maybe that's all there is. Just noticing. No judging. Simply awareness. Simply allowing things to be exactly as they are in this moment. With no expectation, just allowing. Noticing thoughts and emotions as they come and as they go. The awareness of sensations on the body, in the body. Just noticing where this is. Sense of touch. Awareness through the senses, on the body, in the body. Now moving the spotlight of attention to the breath. The breath, always there, easy to ignore. Taking a moment now to notice the breath. Taking the time, feeling the breath as the breath rolls in and as the breath rolls out. Noticing the cycle, following the cycle in and out, as you notice the rhythm, the sensations of the breath flowing in through the nostrils, the throat, the chest, the solar plex, the tummy, maybe placing the hands on the tummy, noticing the rise and the fall, the ebb and the flow. Just letting it be as it is. No need to change, no need to force. As the breath is what it is in this moment, just noticing, riding the wave of the breath and awareness from moment to moment. Noticing at any time we can return to the sensations of the breath. If any sensations become uncomfortable, if any thoughts are difficult, remembering it's always possible to return to the rhythm of the breath as an anchor, as a safe place to be, while this simply passes and you feel it's okay to return back to where you were, simply listening to my voice and returning to the awareness of the body when you're ready to do so. Moving your awareness now to awareness through your senses in the body. being curious of this moment, of each moment, the aliveness of the body in each moment. Known through the senses, gathering the awareness through the senses, of touch, of pressure, of texture, the contact with a supporting surface, exploring the sensations, bringing awareness to the breath in the body, changing patterns and sensations, just feeling, noticing, gathering all the awareness from the body in the senses. The expansion of the breath. Where do you notice it? In the body, on the body. Through the lips, nostrils, throat, chest, tummy, the awareness of the rise and the fall, of the ebb and the flow. And staying in touch now as best you can through the awareness of the senses in each moment, as each moment changes, as your senses follow the change of awareness in each moment. Just noticing the cycle, the flow, the duration, each pause, each moment. Non-judging, not changing, allowing things to be simply as they are right now. Being with the breath as it flows in and as it flows out. Following the breath. No need to control the breathing in any way. Letting the body breathe all by itself. Having that beginner's mind. Exploring, being curious of the awarenesses the body has of the breath. Nothing to be changed, nothing to be fixed. Just being with the experience as it is now. Simply breathing in and breathing out. Simply letting go as we notice through the awareness of the senses the rise and fall of emotions, of thoughts, practicing letting go. Because if the mind wanders now, because that's what the mind does, simply notice the mind has wandered. And that's okay. Just having this awareness and then returning back to your breath as your anchor, as you bring back now the awareness back to the body without judgment, just simply with kindness, returning back to your body now. And when your thoughts come back, which they may well do, because minds do this, simply notice, being curious, and just using the breath to return to the body. Just noticing, non-judging, just practicing returning as often as you need to, because that's what we do. Simply returning our awareness back as we notice, through our anchor of the breath or the feet, just noticing and returning anytime we have the awareness of the mind wandering. Simply noticing that the attention has drifted, using the anchor through your awareness and bringing yourself back to the body. And when you're ready, expand the intention now to include the entire body, the whole body, from the very tips of your toes all the way up to the very top of your head. Breathing into the whole body, just expanding your awareness into the whole body. Noticing the constant companion of the breath as it flexes in and it flexes out. How it can bring the awareness to the whole body as you can breathe in to the whole body and breathe out of the whole body. Following the sensation of the breath in and allowing the breath to flow out through the earth. Breathing in and allowing the breath to flow out into the earth. The sense of being here in this present moment as the breath rolls in and the breath rolls out into the ground. Breathing in and breathing out into the earth, grounding ourselves in this very moment. through this expansion of awareness into the whole. And when you're ready, just turning your awareness to the sounds of my voice in the room and all around you. Just noticing the awareness of sounds as you're bringing your attention back to this very moment and into your day ahead, and just beginning to move your fingers and toes, and just gently opening your eyes when you're ready to do so, as this meditation is now complete.